the death toll from the coronavirus is so high is because it's extremely dangerous to elderly people with pre-existing health conditions who catch it. So protecting this population from infection is likely the single most important way to keep the death toll down. It's also a moral imperative. We should be doing it. In New York, though, Governor Andrew Cuomo's administration says that nursing homes are legally required to readmit residents who have tested positive for the coronavirus. Cuomo's team simply promises that, quote, necessary precautions, whatever those are, will be taken to stop the virus's spread. It's not clear what they mean by that. Michael Goodwin is a New York Post columnist. He says that policy has had fatal consequences. He joins us tonight. Michael, thanks for coming on. So how has this worked, this policy? What's the effect been?
Well, as you say, we've known all along that the elderly, especially those with other health issues, were the most vulnerable to the coronavirus. And many of these nursing homes were testing their staff, taking temperatures every day. Don't forget, they banned visitors, so family couldn't come. Yes. Then all of a sudden, on March 25th, without warning, without any consultation with any of the nursing or rehabilitation homes in the state, the governor's health department issues an order that they cannot deny admittance or readmittance to any coronavirus patient. They can't even ask if they've been tested. So what that means is overnight, they have to begin accepting these patients without any preparation, without proper equipment, without any training. No way in many of these places to segregate coronavirus patients from other residents or people there in rehabilitation stints. So this whole thing is just thrust on them out of the blue. And now in New York, roughly more than 3,500 people have died in nursing and rehabilitation homes, which is about 25% of the total. And everyone agrees this is an undercount, that not all of it has been tallied. And the state's answer to this was, when Cuomo was first asked about it, he said, I don't know anything about it. Now he's defending it forcefully, and he says he will investigate the nursing homes to see why so many people have died. He has talked about removing their licenses. And as you can imagine, the owners of these places are just beside themselves. I mean, they're mourning the loss of many of their longtime residents. Some lost 30, 40 people. Many of the coronavirus patients who came were already improving, but they still were contagious. And so it was the residents who were already there who suffered by the most part, including some staff members. So we don't know how many of these people died specifically because of this order, but we certainly know it's more than zero. And for the governor to say, we're going to investigate you, we may have to take away your license, it's unconscionable.